The probabilities from an Elliott Wave point of view on the 1 hour chart on Bitcoin are higher to look for a retracement to the downside. So if we move to the downside first, keep an eye on that daily naked point of control. That's definitely an area of interest that I personally have. Depending on the reaction, I will decide what I do. Then we have this area here at 85,100, area of resistance, important in the local range. But if we look at the probabilities, then currently probabilities are higher for a finished WXY or the diagonal. In both cases, it leads to a retracement. The only thing with the diagonal is that wave 4, right? A bit tricky. And then on the lower probability number 2 spot, we have an unfinished WXY or multi-1-2. Number 1 leads to a retracement. Number 2 both lead to another high. In general, scenarios that lead to a retracement to the downside have a higher probability than a multi-1-2. Even if you do take out this high, from an Elliott Wave point of view, a multi-1-2 is not looking great. And if you take out the high, a WXY would have higher probabilities than a multi-1-2. Of course, it means you're not gonna randomly short here. You just wait for a sign of weakness. Take it step by step. Observe the reaction at the daily naked point of control below. Preferably it touches before the 382 as explained, keeping an eye on signs of strength and a move to the daily naked point of control above. I'll keep an eye on it, and if I see what I want to see, I'll be part of the move. If a local move up is corrective, you would touch the daily naked point of control. If this move towards the upside is a corrective structure to the upside and we get signs of weakness, preferably touching resistance at the same time, with preferably rejection, interesting to look for lower. We look for these lows to be taken, and then there's quite a gap as shown earlier to the next area of support, which would be the daily 79.5k. Now if a move up is impulsive on high volume and this daily naked point of control gets passed, then consider the high might get taken. I don't really have any level above the daily naked point of control. In that case, an unfinished WXY would look better than a multi-1-2